So, welcome to my dear students. So, this is the last lecture in this series, the basics of machine and deep learning. Some of the things means the machine learning part. I have shown you very basic codes and its syntax in uh, uh, Python. Then the deep learning part to make the basic things much more simpler. I have used the MATLAB and the graphical interface. So using that, you can easily build your very basic network and use that you can work. And nowadays, everywhere is internet. So it's if you want to learn, if you want to learn anything, it will be not difficult. So say you want to say you want to this Keras. If you go to this Keras library, means Keras website, there will be example. Basically, frankly speaking, I have learned all these things through these websites only, because those are very self means they are self explanatory in nature. If you want to learn, you can learn very easily. So you see this here, so many examples are there. If you go to this image classification, so this code will be there entire in GitHub. Okay, so this everything from scratch it is explained here. Okay, the code is written, all the things. So using this you can learn. You can see the MATLAB also. MathWorks. You can go to the MathWorks website, and then you can go to Help Center. Then this is, you see, this is the AI and statistics, and this is your deep learning toolbox. And here you can see the applications. Uh, then you can go for this image processing, and you can see so many things. If you click here, that image processing, so many things it will be available. All the examples, everything it will be available here only. So whatever I have shown you, that is from here only actually. Don't think just like that. I have whatever the code and everything I have written, that is basically from here only. Okay, so there are so much of documentation available here, using which you can find out. Hmm. You can see here how to all the layers. Basically, if you read this, uh, this is the actually in our in some of the lecture I have given on this. Basically, everything is written here. So I followed the same here. For each and everything, I uh, taken from the help only. It's very good help is there. Help files are there. You can go for GitHub, Deep Learning. So here, if you open, you see here so many models are available. Mm. So all codes, everything's are given. Just you need to explore and uh, you can learn. If you want to learn in depth, definitely this. If you have internet with you, with that you can learn anything, because today things are moving that much fast. Uh, Even though this, if you are that coding, you can take while you are learning any code, say in ASP, PHP, or this Python. That also you can take the help of AI chat GPT, that they will give you that. So the jobs are become much more simple. You need not to read so many books. With the help of this AI chat GPT, you can do so many things. So this was all about the basics of machine and deep learning. So the students, the engineering students, who are basically the people from computer science, if they want to extend these things in your final year project to do some practical things with some working model, so we can do that. Why I taught you this MATLAB, because there I told you the code generation is there. You can generate the code, and that things you can import into microcontroller. Basically, Texas Instrument controller, TMS 320 series. They are the same thing you can implement. You can take up on example like you can make your own system. Nowadays, you see in your office attendance system. So just you go in front of that device. The camera will, you just look towards the camera. From that image, it will identify that you are present, and your attendance will be over, like in and out. Then only your gate will open, something like that. Okay, so whatever the things I have given you in the assignment, basically it will be the practical implementation of that. First, you take the all the employees' photos, and with that you train a network. Then using that only it will be done. So that entire thing you can simply dump into the microcontroller, the camera image you can take, and through that you can do all these things. So many things can be explored. So with this, I'll be concluding this course named Basics of Machine and Deep Learning. So I tried my level best to give you a glimpse of that, because nowadays everywhere, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and all these things are there, and hope it will be benefited. And definitely, if you want to learn further in some specific topic, I will be ready to teach you till my capability. So thank you so much. Thank you for everything. We will conduct shortly one online Viva, and we will be issuing the certificate to you all. Thank you so much. Best of luck to all of you.